Ashura Park in Kichijoji, and people always talk about how vending machines are quite unusual in Japan. Supposedly there's like one for every 8 people or something like that. I don't know whether that's true, I'm just making that up, but I've heard that there's a lot.
Every 8 people.
Something like that.
That's a lot of vending machines.
I'll Wikipedia and put the actual fact in. For every Coke Zero, tea and interesting things, hot drinks and the like, you also get bread in a can. I mean, who doesn't want a bit of bread in a can or a cat purse? Beautiful. That does look a bit like Grumpy Cat.
His name is Black Soybeans. What's the Jeru's complaint?
Don't know. Moko is soft. Nyan, which calls blessings. Nyan left. In the world, only one. Nyan, which once marked to put on makeup. It's written by an oily pen. And Nyan.
I mean, I don't even know what that means.
No.
Who came up with this English?
Google Translate. This is our favourite one today, to be honest. This is a chili vending machine. Yeah, we've got some good beginner level, spicy and refreshing, best with beer. You know, all the way up to together 3 drops. The person who would like to be shocking, it's recommended. Called The Pain of the Scorpion, extremely spicy. Caroline, when you aren't here, world #1 Caroline. And then you've got a wonderful story here about how the army used chilies in their tear gas grenades. That I'm going to do, there is description. But also, be careful, it's very spicy. Where a spicy one is weak in a child. Please be careful.
Yeah.
What are we doing? 250 yen, should we get some of these? Some scorpion chili ones?
I mean, if you fancy dying today, sure.
But anyway, on to the next one.
What time is it?
9-ish AM, right? What's the point? I don't get what you're getting at. I'm getting Mountain Dew. Because look, purple Mountain Dew.
But Hansi, it's 9 o'clock in the morning.
First of all, you don't see Mountain Dew that often. And I've never seen purple Mountain Dew.
But it's 9 o'clock in the morning.
I'm not going to drink it now, it's for later. Single banana, individually wrapped, so it keeps it nice and fresh. 150 yen. It's only £1.
Pound?
Yeah.
For 1 banana?
Yep.
You can get a bunch of bananas at home for £1.
It costs a lot to individually wrap it.
I'm sure it does.
Anyway, let's go. We've got chilies, we've got cake in a can, and now we've got Pokemon and Hello Kitties. Why put a full-blown Pokemon Center in when you can just have a vending machine? We have all the Pikachus that are just jammed inside that vending machine in the dark. Poor them.
It doesn't make a noise.
No, shame. This one does. So, oh, this is all Sanrio. Hello Kitty, Gudetama. How exciting. Right, next unusual vending machine place. This has been on a lot of YouTube channels, but this is a bizarre little vending machine alleyway.
Okay.
With lots of really odd things in the vending machine. So, notice so far 8, 9, 10. There's a lot. There's more than just food and stuff. We got a popcorn vending machine.
I mean, I'm okay with that.
Yeah. You can get trains.
You can get
Beetles, trains. You can get boxes of crisps that look like they've been there for a decade. Yeah. So yeah, things do look like they've been there a little while.
Just a little bit.
You want a toy beetle? Only 680 yen.
Okay.
What else? Yeah, who knows what that thing is, but you get toy Shinkansen.
You can get marbles.
Marbles.
Balls. What's that one?
I don't know, they look like little gold bars.
Okay. Balloons and balls.
Yeah.
I think they're chocolate.
Yeah, probably.
I like chocolate.
Oden.
What's Oden?
It's like veg and eggs and all sorts of things, like in a broth. Do we need any more Christmas decorations?
Aren't they cat toys?
Yeah, definitely Christmas decorations.
No, they're cat toys.
Don't ruin it. Definitely Christmas decorations. Okay. Oh, I've got melon soda. I'm good with that.
We should go.
Okay, let's keep going. I can barely fit with my bag on.
I want to know what's in the boxes.
So, apparently, they're all weird horror stories, horrible stories about things that happen to people. But most of them are then just boxes of biscuits.
Okay. We get a meal in a can.
Yeah, there's Odin again.
Yeah. More balls.
More balls. Another popcorn machine behind you. It's just the creepiest alleyway ever. Okay, so we squeeze back out. Yeah.
Oh, what's that green tin? Handy, you can
drops,
get a
something drops.
Handy, look, you can get a candle.
Okay, yep, candle.
Oh,
More Christmas decorations.
Toys, Beatles, jars of jam.
Beautiful.
Back bottom of the can. I realise you can buy meals in cans at home.
Yeah.
But not in
Not in
Vending.
this way. What the heck is this? There's bear meat.
Is that bear meat?
1,900 yen for bear meat.
Is that moose meat?
I think that might be moose meat.
Or reindeer meat?
Escargot, snails. There you go. It's just so random, I love it. More balls, more candles.
Biscuits.
What we got? White peaches. Yeah. There you go.
You need to go to restaurants.
Exactly. When you go to creepy vending machine corner.
Exactly.
Exactly. Nice. One for the road. On the train. It's not for now. It's
You
for
know what?
It's early morning mountain view. It's for the train.
For breakfast.
That's all. Breakfast.
What?
Breakfast is a family mart. Okay, last vending machine of the trip.
Yeah.
So we're in Osaka, and there is a fabled 10 yen mystery vending machine corner, which we've stumbled upon or went intentionally. Well, that's just boring, and here's what you know what you're getting: 50 yen. Or 30.
70 or 60
And we've got 30 yen.
700.
50 yen water, 700. Yeah, that doesn't work. Then we have super mega mystery one. 50 yen, 30 yen. What is in it?
No.
This one is all 10 yen.
Just don't know what you're getting.
That's pretty exciting. And then we have the cat one.
I love the cat one.
Okay,
I've no idea what's in it.
it's gonna have to be the cat one then,
I
right?
think so.
And this one again, you know what you're getting.
Yeah.
Okay. Right, don't hate me, but I'm putting 100 yen in.
Okay.
Why not?
Indeed. Which one are you going for?
Okay. Let's go this one.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
we have a drink. What have we got?
Watermelon
What's
soda.
that?
That sounds great.
Nice.
Quite happy.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
Okay.
Okay, what else we gonna have?
Yeah. Let's catch you one.
Let's go with the top one. Purple one.
Another watermelon
Another
soda.
watermelon soda.
Okay.
Okay, let's try this
I'm
one.
going to
then.
do one more.
Okay.
If it's another watermelon soda, we're moving on.
Okay. Which one are you going for?
I like the look of this guy. I figure by the end, you know, whoever's filling it up is like, oh, let's put something good in.
No, melon soda. Watermelon soda. It better be good.
Okay, three
Free
watermelon
watermelon
sodas.
soda.
Gonna put these here.
Okay, so this is some creepy guy with very fat lips
Yep.
and like a leopard
Okay.
style vest top. Okay.
Number between 1 and 30.
25.
2, 3, 4. Oops.
What did we get? Oh, we
Ooh,
got a
we
bottle.
got-
Is that iced tea?
I think it might be. Cafe Inzer. Oh yeah, something like that. Don't know.
Okay. Some sort of
Pretty
iced
sure that's
tea.
good for 10 cents.
It's not bad. It's not bad
We
at
like
all.
it. I'd love to be a food one.
Oh yeah. Nice. Right. Okay. Go on then.
That's fun again.
Okay. It feels like another
There's
bottle.
another bottle. Okay,
I feel like there's a pattern here.
I'm gonna give it one last go.
That's what you said last time. It's the same!
Gosh darn it.
It's a sign, Hansi. It's a sign.
Okay.
We don't, I don't even like iced tea.
It's nice and cool.
Don't,
Mineral containing tea for preventing dehydration made by blending 16 healthy ingredients.
go on then.
Come on, Mountain Dew. Ooh, okay.
Oh,
You're gonna love this.
what is that?
Calpis jelly. Yeah, it's not the greatest.
That's disgusting. I don't know what it is, but
Okay,
that's gross.
Let's go and gather up our.
Our prizes.
Yeah. I mean, that's a pretty good haul though for 90 cents, 90 yen.
I mean, it costs less than £1,
That is.
and we've got 7 drinks.
Just imagine if that watermelon soda is the greatest thing you've ever tasted in your
It
life.
better be.
I mean, melon soda.
I like melon
you love.
soda.
So that's it. Come to Japan, get a Pokemon, some chilies, some cake in a can, and wash it all down with several 10 yen beverages.
Why not,
There
eh?
you go.
Boom.